Having company stay at your place, or maybe you just want some extra time in the morning. This is an easy freezer meal prep. Breakfast burritos. Going down today with FN Sharp. Start your cold bacon in a cold pan. Crank it to medium-high heat. Let that fat render, get your bacon crispy. Some red potatoes. You can skin them or not, it's up to you. I'm gonna quarter them or even cut them into sixths. It just depends on the size of the potato. What you're looking for is to get uniform pieces. I'm using the FN Sharp chef's knife to complete all my tests on these freezer breakfast burritos. After cutting the onion in half from root end to root end, I'm gonna go ahead and slice off the tip, peel back a layer of that onion, go ahead and slice down vertically, then horizontally once or twice, and then you can chop into a quick dice. Get that into a pan, a little bit of oil, salt, and pepper. Set that aside when it's finished. In with the potatoes, season them up very, very well. I'm using some Cajun blackening season here. Then I'll go down with some green onions, aka scallions, a whole bunch of them. I probably have about 4 to 5 bunches of those. Then some fresh cilantro. Give it a rough chop. Then, once that pile starts working its way down, go ahead and give it a finer chop. I parboil the potatoes, then get them into that pan, add some butter at the very end, get them crispy, let them sit to get crispy, then give them a quick toss. I'm just slicing up some breakfast sausage, whatever your favorite is going to do. And by the way, you can go ahead and substitute any of these ingredients for the ones that you like most. You can see I have my mise en place, which means everything in its place. Then you just kind of create an assembly line going down with eggs, the cheddar cheese, potatoes, the bacon, breakfast sausage. Then for a little pop of freshness and vibrancy, I'm going in with those scallions. Then I'll move over to that fresh cilantro and get that in there too. Again, you can omit anything, swap out anything, add bell peppers, you name it. Then with those sauteed onions, and then a little salsa verde, and then it's super easy to wrap. Grab both sides, then grab that back end and start slowly pushing it forward, while at the same time you're gonna curl those ingredients back up into the burrito. Make sure your sides are tucked in, give it a final spin, set it down, seam side down. Go ahead to wrap the foil in that same manner. Over the top first, sides in, roll it up. Pop these into a freezer bag, label them up, and you're ready to go for your quick, easy breakfast.